why Tamayo's cat is one of the most underrated characters in Demon Slayer. Tamayo's cat is named Chachamaru, and believe it or not, this cute little demon cat actually helped defeat Muzan. Chachamaru collected demon blood samples from Tanjiro, delivered them to Tamayo, and worked as her personal spy, just like Yushiro. Tamayo turned Chachamaru into a demon to save its life when it was sick. We never see the cat fight, but its blood demon art lets it turn invisible, which makes it perfect for stealth missions. Plus, it understands human commands better than Inosuke. So yeah, Chachamaru might secretly be the best pet in the entire series.